Hello, how are you? My name is Eric. Are you interested in having a verified PayPal account in the year 2024? The PayPal account you can use to send money, the PayPal account you can use to receive, and also withdraw. As I'm going to show you in this video, you keep in touch. We do set up verified PayPal accounts in Uganda, East Africa, Africa, and worldwide. These accounts are verified where you can use the account to send money, receive, and also withdraw. As you see this account, it is a business account. The account is verified, the email is verified, but even the account is not linked with it is also linked with a bank card. Well, I have just done a withdraw. It has a 0.00 USD. But if we follow up the activity, you can see I received a payment on 19th January 2024, a payment of $39.00. I then received a payment on 19th January 2024, a payment of $5. And then today I was able to withdraw all this amount to my bank, or I was able to transfer this payment from my PayPal account to my bank account. As you can see, withdraw to debit card. When the withdrawal was successful, I also received a notification to my email where PayPal was saying you transferred money to your bank account. You used your Visa 1642 for this transfer. The money should be in your bank now, where they are showing me the transaction details. The email is from PayPal. As you can see, your transfer was successful. These accounts, as I already communicated, they are fully verified. No matter which country you are in, is it Nigeria, is it Ghana, is it Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, and still it comes with a limitation of 50,000 USD, meaning you can transfer up to 50,000 USD with this account, fully set and verified. It has features like invoicing, where you can create an invoice, request money, whereby you can request a payment from someone, send money, pay the PayPal me link, which is a link you can create and a link on anywhere or social media. Whenever someone clicks on it, they are able to pay you, and the PayPal checkout, which is a good feature for e-commerce websites. Those interested in the account setup of these verified accounts, you can reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. We do set up these accounts to organizations that are interested or that are willing to receive donations using PayPal from potential donors. We have found out that a lot of organizations have missed out on donations from potential donors because they do not have a PayPal account. Well, we have mobile money, MoneyGram, Western Union, and other modes of payment, but still you are not able to receive payments using those modes of payments if someone is willing to send a payment through PayPal. Secondly, we set up the PayPal account for those people that play games online. We have found out a lot of Ugandans here in Uganda and outside Uganda are engaging with mobile applications and websites. At the end of the day, they are paid, but they are not able to cash out that money because they do not have a PayPal account. We set up the PayPal account for TikTokers. TikTok is one of those platforms that pay, but still at the end of the day, if you don't have a PayPal account here in Uganda, you're not able to cash out money from TikTok until you have a PayPal account. We also offer PayPal withdrawal services to TikTokers who are interested in using PayPal. We set up the PayPal account for business and personal purposes. As I already communicated, those interested, you can reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. Thank you much for watching. Keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe and also like our TikTok account.